Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows Security Service Center is missing here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to repair and reset the Windows Security. How you can do that? At the bottom search bar, you need to type for Windows Security. And the moment you have typed it, just have to wait until a best match will appear, which is this. Here you need to click on App Settings. Once you are here under the settings of Windows Security, you need to scroll down and look for this reset, where you can repair and where you can reset the app settings. Okay. Now, before proceeding such, I want to assure you that once you have repaired it, the system components data won't be affected. And once you have resetted it, the system components data will be deleted. Okay. Just have to click on repair and then click on reset. It will take 2 to 3 minutes on repairing and resetting the Windows security, and definitely it will. I mean, there is a chance that it will fix your problem. Okay, so you just have to click on it. In my case, I won't be clicking such because my Windows security is not turned off, and in fact, it's working well. But in your case, you have to do such so that you would be able to fix your problem. Okay, so once you have repaired it and resetted it, just have to check if your problem has been fixed, but let's say if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our second step. Our second step will be we need to bring up any of our browser which is present in our Windows or computer. Okay? In my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser. Where here you need to paste a link which I'll be including at the description box below. So no worries for that. Just have to copy it and paste it here at the address bar and then click on enter once you have pasted it. Here it asks you to proceed. Click on go to site and just have to wait until you are being redirected to this media file. We're here, you need to click on download options. Okay, so it will now starting to download. Once you have to click on it, just have to wait until the downloading will be finished. It will take less than a minute since it only contains a lesser space or MB space in your computer. Okay, it says here done. Once done, you need to click on this add new tab, and this time you need to paste the second link, which is a link for wscsvc.regd. Okay, just have to paste it here again at the Windows address bar. Control V to paste and then click on enter once you have pasted it. Here again, it asks you to proceed. Just have to click on go to site and you would be redirected again to the zip file for wscsvc.reg and then click on download to proceed. So again, it will take less than a minute since it will only consume or take a lesser amount of the space here in our Windows. Okay. Once the two zip files are being downloaded, I can see here it is being done. You need to proceed to your file explorer. Okay, simply close this Google Chrome browser and proceed to the file explorer. So just have to click on it. Once you have to click on it, you need to proceed on your downloads where that the two zip files are being located to. Where here you would be able to see this two options. Okay, so here you need to proceed on WSVSC Reg. Okay, and you need to click on this. Just have to double tap this. Okay, and just have to click on run and your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to apply the registry editor. Okay, click on yes. Once you have clicked on it, click on OK. Okay. So once you have applied it, proceed on the commands. Click on it. The moment you have to click on the commands, you'd be able to see this two command text. Where here you need to minimize this file explorer first so that you would be able to focus in this. Okay. Here you need to adjust first the size of your notepad, and here at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. The moment you've typed it, you need to go with Run as Administrator. Click on it. Your account control will ask you to say yes. Just proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this blank window. Where here, you need to paste a first command, which is this. Okay. Just have to paste it here at the command prompt. Okay. Control C to paste, and do a right click here in this area. Click on edit and click on paste, and then click on enter, and you proceed on the second, which is this. Okay, paste it here again, and then click on enter. Okay, once you're done with these two commands, you need to close this command prompt window and proceed again to your file explorer. Here you need to click this backward arrow, and this time you need to proceed on WSCS VC64. Just have to double tap that, and here you need to proceed on this DLL file. Okay, just have to do a right click. Okay, click on a copy and proceed to your C drive. Okay, so here at the C drive, you need to proceed on Windows. And here you need to look for a file folder named SysWow64. So I can see it here. Just have to double tap that. And here in this file folder, you need to do a right click and you need to click on paste. Okay, so it asks you to confirm, just have to click on continue. And once you have to click on continued, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, once it is being pasted here, close this file explorer and then restart your computer. Check if your Windows Security Center is now there, okay? Or it's now turned on. So that's it. Those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.